बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम इय्याका नअबुदु व इय्याका नस्तईन अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मदिन व बारिक सल्लम व सल्लि अलैहि. Dear colleagues, this is young female patient complaint of pain in the right flank region radiating towards the mid abdomen. So when she is talking about the right flank region, then I am focusing the right kidney, which is unremarkable. Then I goes to see the liver. Here we can see that the gallbladder is diffusely thick walled, and if we closely observe this one, there is increased periportal echogenicity that represent the periportal edema. And here we can also see portal vein are dilated. Portal vein, hepatic veins are dilated, and if I see the spectrum waveform, the velocity is almost above the 50 centimeter per second. So if we measure the liver is 155 millimeter. So the finding is the increased periportal edema, dilated hepatic veins, this all shows that there is some problem in the heart, patient heart. So likely this is the case of passive hepatic congestion. And if I see the abdomen, here we can appreciate that ascites is also present. And now I would like to see the chest also, and here we can appreciate the mild right-sided pleural effusion. Patient now also complaint of dyspnea on walking, and if I see the hepatic veins and the superior vena cava, hepatic veins are dilated, and the right chamber of the heart is also dilated. Here if we closely observe, these this is the pleural line and this is the A line, which is the reverberation of the pleural line. And if we closely observe, besides this A line, another echogenic line is seen that is extending from the pleural line deep and deep to the back surface. So it is almost entirely covering the whole surface of the ultrasound plane. These are called the B lines, and these, if they are 3 or less than 3, they are normal, but here we can see that they are much more than 3 and they are confluent. So these represent the interstitial syndrome, which is having the differential of pulmonary edema, ARDS, lung fibrosis, or the bronchopneumonia. So if we closely observe that below the pleural line there is no consolidation patches, only the B lines and A lines are present. So keeping in view the findings like right pleural effusion, passive hepatic congestion, and ascites, cardiomegaly, so these B lines likely represent the pulmonary edema. So these were the findings in this patient. Patient is having passive hepatic congestion with dilated right heart, right mild pleural effusion, and pulmonary edema as well as ascites. Thank you very much.